My name's Nimisha Schneider, and I'm a systems biologist at Patients Like Me. Systems biology is a way of looking at biology, in our case human disease, by looking at all of the different molecular components that work together to create disease in the human body. I'm looking at chronic, complex neurodegenerative diseases like multiple sclerosis in particular, and I'm studying people's molecules like RNA, DNA, proteins, antibodies, and trying to figure out what they can tell us about this disease. So can we use them to divide patients into subtypes that would be useful to treating them? Can we predict which patients will respond to which kind of medications? Can we tell through a blood test what disease you have, if it's multiple sclerosis or a common differential diagnosis for multiple sclerosis? So those are the kind of problems that I work on. I think patients should participate in DigitalMe because this kind of data collection is how we're going to figure these diseases out. The hard thing about these complex diseases is that everyone is really different, even if they have the same diagnosis. Things that patients tell us about themselves, things that patients' doctors tell them about their disease, and the actual molecules that we measure from patients' blood. And we're going to use it to build literally a digital version of each patient. This will let us figure out exactly what it is that's contributing to the disease and what's making each patient's disease different, and therefore what you should do that's different from other patients or the same as other patients to treat the disease. It's a hard job and a long job to figure out these diseases. It's not something that's going to happen quickly. I think that we really need to think of ourselves and DigitalMe as a partnership between scientists and patients, where we're all going to sort of travel this road together towards improving disease outcomes. I love my job. I love the people that I work with. They're brilliant. I love the kind of problems we're trying to solve. But I would say, above all, I feel really honored to have the kind of data from patients that we have. I feel like it's really a privilege. It's a lot of sharing about the core of people's lives that patients are doing with us, and it's going to make a powerful data set that we can do great science with, but it's also going to really make a difference in a lot of people's lives, and I just feel honored to be a part of that.